I always felt lost about what to do after gesture. How was I even supposed to continue adding structure and anatomy to my figures? This book finally gave me the answer, and I'm going to share it with you. The next important step, right after gesture, is looking at the skeleton. But how to even do it if all the bones are underneath all that meat? Seriously, I had no idea where to put them. I was just throwing them randomly inside of the figure. But this was before knowing the existence of landmarks. Landmarks are really the key to continue developing our figure, because they are the only bones that we can actually see, pushing through all that flesh, and they are always in the same spots. They are like points on a map that help you make sense of the body, and they will be essential not only to start adding volume, but also to have reference points for the anatomy. It is very important to know them and know how to simplify them. So let's see what those are. Let's start from the front, going from top to bottom. The first one we encounter is the pit of the neck. A simple dot right at the base of the cylinder, indicating the neck. From this point we have the clavicles, which look like the handlebars of a bicycle, and they are crucial to place the arms, because the shoulders, where the arms obviously start, are right at the end of them. Clavicles are also crucial to know the width of the ribcage. From the pit of the neck, the sternum also originates, which looks like a necktie, dividing the ribcage in two symmetrical parts. Very important to find the center line and the orientation of the torso. Going down, we have the ends of the ribcage that indicate where this oval ends. And this is it for the upper torso. As a transition point between the upper and lower torso, we can keep in mind the belly button as a landmark, because even though it's not a bone, of course, it helps you to continue the center line started in the sternum and to place the pelvis. And for the pelvis, we have the ends of the iliac crest as a landmark and the bottom of the pubic bone, which give you the dimensions of this section. And if you need help with all this, I created a free Discord community for artists trying to learn gesture and figure drawing. The link is in the description. But in my opinion, the front is nothing compared to the back, which always looked like a mess for me from the outside, and landmarks are crucial to make sense of all this. So starting from the top, we have the base of the cranium, a short horizontal line where the neck starts. We don't have a sternum here to place the center line, but we do have something even better actually, which is the spine itself. It flows from top to bottom, and remember, it's not straight, it is an S-curve. The spine ends at the sacrum in the lower torso, a simple upside down triangle that tells you where the box for the pelvis starts. The spine also tells us where the neck ends and the ribcage starts, at the 7th cervical vertebrae. Don't let that name scare you, because it's just that bump that you can feel at the back of your neck. Finally, we have the scapulae, which are two triangles that move with the arms. If the arms go up, they go up, since they are free-floating basically. Landmarks gave me a clear map to follow to identify the skeleton and to give movement and perspective to my figures. So I suggest that you learn them by heart, and I will see you on my next step.